Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas. This is Awesome Wood Things, and I made this cheese slicing cutting board with an Eiffel Tower inlay and personalized laser engraving on the back. Check it out. I'll show you how I made it. I start off with a solid slab of 3/4 inch thick maple hardwood, and I need a flat edge, so I'm on the jointer, making that edge nice and flat. This goes over to the table saw, and I take that nasty edge off so I have something nice to work with. Now I'm bringing it to size. In a few operations, I check it, and it's exactly the size it needs to be. You're not a real woodworker if you do not treat the edges. Here I'm putting a chamfer on all of the edge surfaces. And I already cut that little slot there, not all the way through. And now I need to just remove a chunk in that area. This is a lot harder than it looks. I need a very deep hole that doesn't wander, that goes straight down. I nailed it, and here is the prototype working. I see that everything is the way it should be. And now I'm on to the CNC. This is a clearing pass with a 16th inch downcut bit. This is just getting material out of the way for the next bit, which is a super sharp, spiky, stabby thing. This is the down-cut, groovy bit from Candace Manufacturing, and it's the world's first down-cut, and this brings the sides of those walls on an angle. I have a failure incoming. 3, 2, 1, bad news. I did not secure it enough. This is carpet tape. I didn't have that the first time. Carpet tape does not let go very easily. This is a clearing pass with a downtown Jenny bit, and this just reveals the line a little bit thicker than it needs to be. Then I come through with a smaller downcut bit just to get that little tiny piece on the inside. It needed just a little help. Then the groovy bit, the 30-degree groovy bit, is back in action, and it's bringing the sides of those walls on an angle. This is what you get when you're done. And I take that over to the scroll saw, and I remove the pieces here. You don't need to get exact. You just can't cut into the object itself. And this is the concept here. Are you starting to understand how it works? Add some wood glue. And I'm just pretty generous with it. You don't have to be neat at this point. And then I let this dry for multiple days. This disc sander was very aggressive. I didn't feel good using that. This one's a little more forgiving, so I could go a little slower over here. And I'm just slowly sneaking up on it. You can already start to see it's coming through. If you haven't already, subscribe, give me a like, and ring the bell for notifications. I'm always doing crazy, awesome things on this channel. You don't want to miss anything. And take a look at that. I am blown away. I can't. This is my first time trying it. Look at that. It is so, so good. I use some food-safe butcher block oil to treat all the surfaces. It really makes the Paduke and the maple pop. And it is a cheese cutter. I don't have cheese, so I'll demonstrate with Mario here. Wait a minute. I'm just kidding. I can't hurt Mario. I just don't have the heart. But evil Luigi, he don't care. Thanks, Internet.